Rolling.
It's just off the A23. It's just off the A23. It's off the A23. It's just off the A23.
And again? I think no, it needs to be, I think it's just off the A23.
Oh, sorry.
That's how it needs to be.
I think it's just off the A23.
Okay, this time without the just try that.
I think it's just off the A23. I think
again?
it's just off, yeah. Just carry on, yeah.
A couple of seconds in between, just try a different
Okay.
way. Just, you know.
I think it's just off the A23. It's off the A23. It's off the A23.
It's not
I think it's just off the A23.
That was a good word, I think.
The road to Hartman's is long. Some have said unreachable.
It's just off the A. Fuck. It's just off the A23. Oh, sorry.
That's alright, we'll do it in a minute.
Yeah. Just, God. Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Right now, it doesn't matter.
Don't know.
You haven't even read the fucking script. The road to Hartman's is long. Some have said unreachable.
Just keep that as it was, then and cut to close up and that. That's nice. Because you're kind of the hard.
That's a bit too much.
I'll see you in a minute.
Wait till Emma regains her composure.
Thank you on my pen.
Regains her pen.
Hartmans have gone out with a full £2,000 off all orders over 15%.
Noble King, let me ride on Hartman's.
Said the line wrong.
One more. One more. Oh my god, that wasn't a fart.
Oh, like, say it when I'm ready. Yeah, sorry. He's staring at me.
In the golden fields of Elysium. Ah!
Denathar! Shit.
Hold your tongue, worm, lest I loosen it with my blade.
Right, now calm down now, old boy. We fucking wankstay. I feel the whole situation was exacerbated by the competition significantly upping their game.
Look, sorry, but is there any chance we can keep the topic of the conversation? That's the wrong way around, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fuck's sake!
Really close.
Look, sorry, is there a... look, sorry, but could... Oh, fuck it. Right. Look, sorry, can we just... Oh, for fuck's sake.
What's the actual line?
It's,
The topic.
could we confine the topic of conversation to events in the real world?
Alright, just say that.
Conversations to events in the real world.
It's a bit of a mouthful.
If you can find...
Look, sorry, but is there any chance we can keep the topic of conversation in the events of the real world?
No. It should be in the real world. No, it should be how it is on the paper.
Sorry, but
it's written.
any chance we can confine the
Topic
topic
of conversation to events in the real world. All together.
Look, sorry, but is there any chance we could confine the topic of conversation to events in the real world? It's so fucking easy. Look, sorry, is there any chance we can... I'm putting on a fucking accent now.
That's good.
Look, sorry, but is there any...
Let's just do it so posh.
Look, sorry, is there any chance we can confine the topic of conversation to events in the real world?
And again, don't get that shot.
You're doing it already.
We're trying.
Look, sorry, is there any chance we can confine the topic of conversation to events in the real world?
I'm leaving and then straight up he's looking at you. Alright.
I'll never get this line out. Mate.
Well,
Look, sorry, but is there any chance we can confine the topic of conversation to events in the real world? Thank fuck for that. Jeez.
My lord, the hour is late. Forgive me.
Not to worry, Denathar, you're here now. Take a
I'm sorry about the wig.
Oh, is it fun?
My lord, the hour is late. Forgive me.
Not a problem, Denathar, you're here now. Take a seat. Take a seat.
Oh, it's fucking here. Sorry.
And it will be Denathar that sends him to it! Hooray!
Keep going.
Save your prayers for the dogs of Hartman's, woman, for their destiny is the fiery abyss, and it will be Denathar that sends them to it! Hooray! Save your prayers for the dogs of woman's, Hartman.
Be careful, Denathar!
Save your prayers for the dogs of Hartman's, woman, for their destiny is the fiery abyss, and it will be Denathar that sends them to it! Hooray!